$193,752.22. That is my Coinbase balance. I earned all of that trading. I bought this car 3 nights ago. Now that makes 7 cars that I have: 2 Dodge Rams 1500s, a 2020 Dodge Charger RT, that's the new one, 2021 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack, 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, 2019 Dodge Charger, 2018 Mercedes, and a 2021 Nissan Awesome. Why should you care? You can learn to trade. Now, you can learn my strategy and do all this stuff for free, or you can get right into my mentorship where you're going to learn A through Z how to trade. And normally it's at $2,000 and doesn't include all this stuff, but today you can get it for $249 and includes way too much. All 3Z videos on how to trade. That is a $1,500 value. The full 150 plus video and resource trading vault, live sessions where I go live every other day or so for classes and for trading, and the Master the Trade Masterclass. And that's currently $199, and live sessions are currently $99. Learn, profit, repeat. Come over to my Telegram channel and learn all about it